Hello, I'm Paul with rackoutfitters.com, and this is the Yakima OverHaul HD height adjustable heavy duty truck rack. Here we have it installed onto this Toyota Tacoma, which has a in-bed track system. It's comprised of three components. First of all, you have the OverHaul HD towers. Next, you have the HD load bars. Yakima will recommend in their fit guide the shortest length that will work on the truck. However, it is possible to go longer for certain applications if that's needed. And then lastly, we have the Bed Track Kit number 1. This allows for the towers to connect into the in-bed track system, not only on this Tacoma, but also on the Toyota Tundra and the Nissan Titan and the Nissan Frontier. So this rack is a heavy-duty off-road capable truck rack with a 300-pound certified off-road carrying capacity. It also has on-road carrying capacity of 500 pounds and a static load capacity of 800 pounds, making it ideally suited for supporting a rooftop tent and its occupants while parked. So it is height adjustable, so you can see here the track that allows for the height adjustment. It has a range all the way up to 30 inches, and then it can come all the way down to 19 inches. You can make that adjustment by loosening 4 fasteners. These fasteners are security type fasteners requiring a wrench, which is included. This is a hollow point hex wrench, so it allows for the wrench to engage into the fastener. A standard hex wrench will not engage because there's a point in the center of the hex connection there. That's also found at the connection of the upright into the load bar. There's also the threaded connection points there. And the load bar itself, also extruded aluminum, also durable powder coat finish, and it has a track along the top to accommodate certain track mount accessories. Here we have the rubber over the top, allowing you to see inside. At the end cap has a integrated tie down point. Another nice feature of this design, on the inner edge of all 4 uprights, you have a integrated welded heavy duty tie down point with also a bottle opener at all 4 points. Also, beyond the security fasteners, you do have Yakima SKS locks that are locking the rack to the vehicle. So let's go ahead and unlock it, and we can also show how easily it is to remove the truck rack from its bases. So I'll use another one of Yakima's supplied tools, and I'll loosen this up. Once I get it started, I can finish with just loosening by my fingers, and you'll notice as I do that, this plate will start to angle away, and that allows me to lift the base, the tower out from the base. I already have the other side loose just to speed things along, and you can see here how quickly you can remove that. Now with that removed, let's go ahead and look a little bit closer at the track kit that's used to hold this base to the vehicle. So normally the standard method of attachment, which comes with the towers, is essentially a C-type clamp that presses against the underside of a truck that has an open bed rail. But in this case, that is not used, that's set aside, and instead we have a metal plate that's inserted into the track. It's a plate that extends from both connection points. This plate is very strong, and that's one of the factors that give it a very high load capacity for on-road, off-road, and static. Now, to insert that plate, it does require that the track is temporarily removed because it has to slide in at an angle, and so you pull that off temporarily, run that plate in, and then you can attach all the fasteners, and it gives it a very strong connection. Here you have the fasteners that tighten to these lower connection points, and they're very strong 12mm fasteners, very stout, very strong. So let's go ahead and put the towers and load bar back into place. We're just going to set it on that side, put it on that side, and engage it and tighten that up by hand, and then finish it off with the wrench and relock it. So this rack design doesn't just stop with all the features found on the rack itself. It's fully supported with a range of accessories. So I'll take you back over to this front side. So here you'll see you have threaded connection points. These threaded connection points support a sidebar made by Yakima that extends from the front upright to the back upright and gives another track similar to the tracks we see here that extends over. And Yakima produces a series of other accessories to provide further usefulness of the rack, where that would include Rotopack mounts, max track mounts. For the top of the bar, there are load stops, there's shovel mounts, quite a few other accessories, rollers for ladders. So it's a fully supported rack system. It doesn't just stop at the truck rack itself. It continues on and provides much more usefulness overall for this truck rack investment. So those are all the key features of this Yakima OverHaul HD truck rack system. I'm Paul with rackoutfitters.com. This product, along with a full line of Yakima products, are available at our website. Also, see the links in the video description for complete details, our pricing, and our promotions. And thanks for watching.